If you want to master the art of day trading, make sure you watch this video from start to finish. Today's video will be another interesting one. What I'll actually be doing today is breaking down a quick day trade I took with my community just this morning. We've actually made over 80 pips on it. Basically hit our TP, basically done for the day. I'm still monitoring to see if it's going to go further in our favor or it's actually going to give another opportunity to take another trade entirely. I know so many traders on here have actually been longing for the ability to be able to come onto the market whenever they want, find some quick trades, make their profits, and then dip. That is basically what day trading entails. As a day trader, what you basically do is you never want to hold trades overnight. You're actually not looking to be in a position for hours until you start making some profits. You're not looking to be in drawdowns before the trade eventually goes in your favor. All you're actually looking for is to make sure you're taking your trades at the right time. What do I mean by the right time? Basically, coming in, the moment you take your trade, you're expecting it to go in your favor. You're expecting to see results the moment you take your trades. So today's video actually seeks to help you build and nurture this particular skill set. And as you've noticed throughout my entire YouTube mentorship journey, what I always do on here is every single trade I break down is basically a trade I've taken in that particular day. There's no time I'll come and teach you something which I've actually not applied. So with this one, we'll be breaking out a trade we took with a whole community. Everybody here, you can see screenshots of the profits on quick short position on gold, making over 80 pips in the process. So if you are here, you're not in my Telegram community, make sure you simply use the link in the description to join our trading community on Telegram. I drop multiple profitable trading signals on there every single week. So you want to be a part of that community as well. Also run multiple giveaways as well, so you also stand a chance to win. And before I start, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also make sure you leave a comment on whatever you learn from this video. If there's any concept you also wish for me to also dive deep on, feel free to leave it in the comment section as well. Also make sure you like this video, smash the notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video. If you're already subscribed to this channel, all I want from you is to also make sure you like this video and then make sure your post notification is turned on, so anytime I drop a new video on YouTube, you'll be one of the first to know about it. As always, I'm KOMMONFOREX, your favorite marksman. Let's get into this. Right on your screens, you can see I already have a short position running on gold, running nicely. We have a slight pullback on it. I'm waiting to see if it's going to go back to entry and become a bullish position, or it's going to be a slight pullback. So you clearly see I took my trade on a 15 minutes time frame. One of the things I always say anytime I open my charts, but the first thing I'm looking out for, regardless of the time frame I'm trading, is basically to identify the most recent high as well as the most recent low of my chart. So all I did on here is to use that famous support and resistance strategy you've heard of so many times that you fail to take advantage of. But trust me, as a trader, everything works. The technique you use in exploiting a trading strategy is what makes you. So basically, if you look here, you clearly see I used basically a resistance to catch this particular sell. So when we go back in time, this is how it basically looked once I came onto the market. So this was around midnight. So what I normally do is I normally sleep really early. Normally by 8 p.m. I'm asleep, so I can actually wake up pretty early and then come onto the market and find trading opportunities for myself. So what happens is latest by 3 a.m. I'm actually up. So around 3 a.m. this is basically where I actually found the market. So what does it mean? I'm basically waiting for the market to actually get to my recent high or to get to my recent low. So I found trading opportunities on them. So basically all you do next is to just wait and see how the market reacts to the levels you've actually plotted on there. So I never take any trades until my entry criteria is satisfied. So the next video I'll actually be shooting is basically explaining what my entry and my exit criteria is. I'll also be dropping that this week, so make sure you don't miss that video as well. So basically the market went on to hit my recent high, which is my resistance. Then I got a strong bearish engulfing here, which is a candlestick confirmation I actually used. And also looking at the consolidation, it was on a 15 minutes time frame, but I still had multiple candlesticks confirm this particular, resistance. Once I had the bearish engulfing after that, what I basically do next is now to apply my risk management by bringing my risk to reward in place. So basically all I do next is just bring my risk management on here. You realize that we are risking just about 20 pips on this particular setup. So first take profit here, we have our second one on here as well. Already smashed both these take profits already. So basically once you're able to have all your levels in place, so we are basically trying to see if we can easily make our profit. So TP1 40 pips, TP2 70 pips, then final take profit on this particular position is about 140 pips. So basically first candle came in, this is what happened. Smashed our TP1, smashed both our TP2s, then we started getting some pullbacks. So basically this is all we did, applying my resistance, my entry criteria, making sure my entry criteria was actually met, then my risk management also came in place by simply applying this risk to reward. This is basically how I trade on a daily basis. If you've watched me for a very long time, I have so many tools in my arsenal as it pertains to trading, day trading or whatever. I have so many tools in my arsenal I use for that. So once I have so many tools in my arsenal, what happens is anytime I'm buying the charts, what I'm mostly doing is I'm looking out for which one is actually going to give me the best setup as possible, giving me the opportunity to milk as much as I can from the market every single time I come onto the chart. So that's what I basically do. So you realize that here, simply resistance, I had my confirmation on it. I jumped in, solid risk to reward because basically about 20 something pips on this setup. Jumped in, everybody made money. I sent the signal, like I said, to the free channel as well. So you want to make sure you don't miss out on that. Simply use the link in the description to join my trading community on Telegram. We are fast approaching 16,000 subscribers on there. We want to look to hit 20K by the time the year ends, so you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you use the link in the description to join my trading community on Telegram. You can also keep up with me on my socials, KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on X, KOMMONFOREX on TikTok, KOMMONFOREX on Telegram as well. Use the link in the description to sign up with my recommended broker with the best trading conditions, tightest spreads, instant deposits and withdrawals, as well as 24/7 customer service. Before I leave, one more announcement on my September advanced mentorship session. The last session we had in August. You'll see some of the results, some of the feedback I'm getting from all those who partook in that particular session. You can also see some feedback in the mentorship group as well. It's extremely active. There's always fireworks on there. So if you want to improve as a trader, day trading, scalping, swing trading, whatever instrument, improve your trading psychology, trade without fear, all you want to do is to simply use the link I'm going to leave in the description of this video to sign up for this class. It's going for just $120 on Zoom, basically meaning that regardless of your geographical location, you can actually be a part of this class as well. 4 p.m. GMT on the 21st, 22nd, 28th, as well as the 29th of September. 4 solid sessions with me live on Zoom. You get to ask me every single question. We get to have all the interactions, the personal mentorship you've been longing for is in this class. So you don't want to miss this. You want to improve and change how you view the market for the long haul. So there you have it. We finally come to the end of today's video. As you can see, it was really short, really brief. That is how I trade. Look how easy it was for me to take this trade and send signals out, and everybody made money. It's not even 9 a.m. here yet, and we're basically done for the day. So we are now looking for either another setup or we simply just come back tomorrow. I think we have FOMC later in the day, so we'll see if we can also come in later in the day to make some extra money. If not, we'll just come back tomorrow, make some more money. As always, I'm KOMMONFOREX, and I hope I left you better than I found you. See you all in the next one. They call me a